The Salesforce market is booming, and it's not just hype. As the world's #1 CRM platform, Salesforce has become the central nervous system of modern businesses. No wonder organizations today are flooded with data coming from all directions. And managing this data in silos requires smart integration of Salesforce CRM with other apps, platforms, or services. This is where the power of Salesforce APIs comes in. Application Programming Interfaces, the robust backbone that connects Salesforce and external systems, enabling seamless communication, automation, and data flow. Whether syncing leads from a web form, pulling customer orders from your ERP, or pushing real-time updates to your mobile app, Salesforce APIs make it possible. You gain a 360-degree view of your customers. You automate workflows that once took hours. You connect dots between departments that once operated in isolation. But how exactly do these APIs work? What kinds of Salesforce APIs exist? And how can they be used to build smarter, faster, and more connected experiences? Let's dive in. Here's a simple breakdown of how APIs work. Initiation. An external app sends a request to Salesforce. Authentication. Salesforce verifies the identity using OAuth. Data exchange. The request is processed and data is retrieved or updated. Response. Salesforce sends back data or confirmation. Integration. The app integrates the response into its workflows. This seamless integration keeps your systems aligned and eliminates duplicate data entry. Why use Salesforce APIs? Salesforce APIs unlock powerful business benefits. Break down data silos by integrating different platforms. Automate tasks, saving time and reducing errors. Cut operational costs by optimizing workflows. Unlock innovation by customizing your CRM and building new experiences. Salesforce APIs empower smarter decisions, faster service, and better business outcomes. Now let's explore the different Salesforce APIs you can use. Each one is tailored for specific use cases. REST API. The REST API, Representational State Transfer, is one of the most popular APIs in Salesforce. It uses standard HTTP methods and supports JSON and XML formats, making it perfect for web and mobile app integrations. It's ideal for real-time interactions and CRUD operations: create, read, update, delete. SOAP API. SOAP, Simple Object Access Protocol. API is designed for enterprise applications that require a formal, secure contract between systems. It uses XML to send requests and responses and is known for its robustness and high-volume processing. Bulk API. Bulk API is designed for high-volume data processing. It handles large record sets asynchronously, ideal for data migration, cleansing, and batch jobs. When speed and volume matter, Bulk API does the job without overwhelming your org. Metadata API. The Metadata API allows developers to retrieve, deploy, create, update, or delete metadata in a Salesforce org. It's perfect for managing org configuration and customizations. Streaming API lets you receive real-time push notifications when changes occur in Salesforce. It's great for apps that need to stay instantly updated. Connect REST API is used to access and manage social features like chatter, content from CMS, Experience Cloud sites, and B2B commerce. Analytics REST API provides programmatic access to Salesforce CRM. Analytics, formerly Einstein Analytics. It allows querying datasets, filters, dashboards, and lenses. Tooling APIs. Developers mainly use the Tooling API to build or integrate custom development tools with IDEs like VS Code. It's a developer's best friend when creating and managing apps inside Salesforce. In summary, Salesforce APIs empower your business with seamless integration, intelligent automation, and powerful analytics. Whether you're syncing platforms, building apps, or automating workflows, Salesforce APIs let you do more with less manual effort. Ready to discover the full potential of Salesforce APIs with Cloud Analogy, a trusted Salesforce Summit consulting partner. From custom integrations to end-to-end API solutions, we empower your business with scalable and innovative Salesforce services. Connect with our experts today and take your Salesforce ecosystem to the next level with confidence and clarity.